Hello and welcome to VNU-IS TV. The third quarter of 2024 has passed with numerous activities, including welcoming new K-23 students and bidding farewell to the graduates. The excited and radiant faces of students returning to the lecture halls have brought a lively atmosphere filled with positive energy. Let's take a look back at the activities in the third quarter.
VNU-IS has implemented an online admission system to provide maximum support for new students in preparing the registration documents and to save time in completing admission procedures. A special highlight of this year's admission day was the career counseling and in-depth consultation tables led by the school lecturers. At VNU-IS, the lecturers are not only knowledge transmitters but also friendly, dedicated companions who are always ready to listen and support students wholeheartedly throughout the university journey. In the warm and welcoming atmosphere of this year's admission day, the lecturers once again accompanied the students, helping to ease their unfamiliarity and strangeness for new students.
In 2024, more than 800 new bachelor and master graduates completed their study across 10 undergraduate programs and 5 master programs. The 2024 graduating class is quite special as most of students had to study online during the first half of their term due to the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite this, both the lecturers and students of VNU-IS remain innovative and proactive in overcoming difficulties to maintain teaching and learning activities. Static on the 2024 graduate showed that 4.2% of students graduated with excellent distinction, while 41.9% achieved a good classification.
In the 2024-2025 academic year, VNU-IS will conduct an evaluation of the implementations of the resolutions from the Party Congress of VNU-IS and organize the 5th Party Congress for the 2025-2030 term. During this academic year, VNU-IS will also continue to enhance university governance capacity, streamline its organizational structure, management, and personnel, and innovate its training activities. It will focus on setting a distinct directions for the development of scientific, technological, intellectual property, and innovation activities, building, refining, and deepening the school culture, academic culture, and the code of the conduct for students is a particularly important task for the new academic year.
On September 26-27, 2024, VNU-IS, in collaboration with the Associations of Vietnamese Scientists and Experts Global, the School of Business and Law at Curtin University, Australia, EMLV Business School, and the University of Paris-Saclay, France, organized the 3rd International Conference on Entrepreneurship, Finance, and Innovation in Vietnam, VSEFI 2024. VSEFI 2024 serves as a premier platform for scientific exchange and collaboration between Vietnamese and international scholars in the field of business, finance, and technological advancement. This year's conference holds special significance as global economy faces a turning point, presenting both challenges and opportunities. At VSEFI 2024, participants explore entrepreneurial methods, innovative financial solutions, and advanced technology that can drive Vietnam and the world toward a more prosperous and sustainable future.
From September 9 to 14, 2024, VNU-IS and Nghệ An Polytechnic, Singapore, organized a cultural exchange and experience program called the Overseas Immersions Programming, OIP. This is a third experiential exchange program for Singaporean students held in 2024. Despite unfavorable weather conditions following the Typhoon Jackie, the Singaporean students successfully completed the program with the dedicated support of the students from VNU-IS. The 7-day cultural exchange and OIP experience left a positive and lasting impressions on the Singaporean students.
With a spirit of mutual support and compassion after mobilizing resources and calling for contributions from lecturers, businesses, and kind-hearted individuals, the Trade Union of VNU-IS, in coordination with Ho Chi Minh Communist Youth Union, allocated a portion of the funds to support students and their families in overcoming the aftermath of Typhoon 03. The Trade Union of the school launched a donation campaign among VNU-IS staff. After a week fundraising, the trade union received nearly 98 million Vietnam dong through various donation channels. The trade union prepared supplies for those affected by the floods and transferred 70% of the total donation to the Trade Union of Vietnam National University, Hanoi.
In line with the spirit of where there's need, youth will lead. Where there's strength, youth will reign. The youth union members of VNU-IS actively participated in helping local residents clean up waste left behind by Typhoon No. 3 and provided essential supplies and necessities to families heavily affected by the storm and flooding. Though the contributions were modest, the school's youth union support helped alleviate the losses and damage faced by the people after the disaster, enabling them to quickly stabilize their lives, resume productions, and support students in overcoming challenges and excelling in these studies.
These were the highlight activities of the school during the first 5 months of 2024. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes of VNU-IS TV with more exciting updates. If you have any comments or suggestions, please send them to trianthong@vnuis.edu.vn. Thank you.